Hello, students. Good morning. So it's 5 a.m. in the morning and we are live now. Is my audio and video clear? Okay. Thanks for the confirmation. So I can see Abhignya, Bhumika, Anushka, Anusha, Nirmita has joined. Samyukta, Jia. Okay, let's wait for others. Whoever has joined, please type your names. So everyone is fresh. It's Monday morning. Good morning. Okay, Harika. So today new topic we are going to start chapter 3 shares and dividends. So 17 of you have joined. It's 2 minutes, let's wait. Yes, those who have joined can can like the stream. See your likes and comments, they always give me motivation. So you can like. So let's start now. Still I can see only 4 likes. So shares and dividends. So let us start this because since it's a new topic, so whatever questions I will ask, I want you people to answer in the comment section and make the session as interactive as possible so that you can enjoy the class. Okay, so have you ever heard this word shares? Yes. So where you have heard this word? Where you have heard this word? Still very less responses and very slow. Ox. Stock market. Okay. Okay, only two of you have heard. See, that's the same shares which we are going to discuss in this chapter. Okay, which you have heard in the stock markets. Okay, so you might have heard share price can increase or it can decrease. So these are the terms you might have heard, right? Now, what is this share? Let us understand. See, whenever anyone wants to open a large company. See, so large company means big investment is required. So big investment no one can have, like it's in a person, no one can have such a big investment. So that's why some group of peoples, some four, five, like some group of people, they invest, they invest and they just form a company, right? So here suppose four people invested here. So that means this company will divide it into four parts now. So each person will have its own shares in that one company. So this is what the share is. So at that time when this company is opened or when they are starting, and startups you might have heard, when they are starting this company, so they will just, because now some group of persons are there, right? So they will just fix the share price here at starting itself. So that price will always remain same. Okay. So these are the few terms I will explain you before like starting the exercise. So I hope you have understood the meaning of shares. Shares you already know. Dividend I'll explain because the name of the chapter is shares and dividend. So share is like parts of a company and dividend is profit. Meaning of dividend is profit. So few terms are there which I'll explain here. So I hope you have pen and notebook in front of you. I want you to make notes of these terms so that when we do exercise, you won't find any problem in the terminologies used in the questions. So first is nominal value. Nominal value, as I told you here also, the nominal value is the price which was discussed here at the starting. So they might fix one price of a share, that this is what the share price will be. So it might be from rupees 1 to 100. This is the initial price which is discussed here. Right. So it is also called as register value, printed value, face value. So this nominal value, it doesn't change with time. It will always remain same. Like, so the first initial value decided by the shareholders, that's the nominal value. Then we have market value. Market value as name suggests whatever price is going in the market. You might have heard gold price every day it changes, right? So that means market value of a gold that particular day. The price which will be on that particular day, that's known as a market value. It is also called as a cash value. Market value of a share may increase or decrease. I have already explained you here. So when we discuss about market value, so there are three terms are there which will be frequently used in the question. So first, market value is at par. At par means when market value is equals to nominal value. So it is set as shares at par. Then if the market value is more than its nominal value, then it is known as above par. So when market value is more than nominal value, then in questions you will get above par or at premium. So these two terms you will see in the questions. So third one, in market value is less than nominal value. So at that time you will see below par or at discount. So these two terms you have to remember. Market value when it is same to nominal value, this is at par. When it is greater than nominal value, then it is above par. When it is less than nominal value, then it is below par or at discount. Okay, so if anyone has any doubts in the terms, you can just ask me. Nominal value is the fixed value of a share which will not change with time. Market value, it depends on everyday's share price. It might be same to the nominal value. It might be more or less also compared to the nominal value. Okay, the profit, then this third term, the profit which a shareholder gets from his investment. So that profit is known as dividend. So dividends meaning I have already explained you. So profit is dividend. Now few formulas are there. If you don't have any doubts in the terms, let's move forward and see formulas which we are going to use in this chapter. So first is sum invested. Sum invested is investment. Whatever investment, since we are dealing with shares, so people will do investments, right? So investments formula is investment is equals to number of shares, small n I am writing here, into market value of one share. So investment is number of shares into market value. Then second one is total dividend earned. So total dividend earned means I have already explained you. Dividend means profit. So how much profit is earned? So its formula is again number of shares into rate of dividend. Rate means percent of dividend. So I'm just writing it as capital D. So number of shares into dividend percent into nominal value. And dividend, as I have already told you, the other terms used for dividends, it might be profit also. You might get the question, find the profit. Or income also. Dividend means income or return. So these terms you have to keep in your mind. If I say what is the formula of profit here, so you just have to use the same formula. You just have to use the same formula here instead of dividend and then profit. Profit is equal to n into 100% into nominal value. Then third one, return percent or income percent or profit percent. So this is income by investment. So return percent or profit percent or income percent, because all these terms are same here. So this is income by investment into 100% into 100. Then last formula, which is very important, maximum questions we will use this formula. So dividend percent into nominal value is equals to return percent into market value. So very important formula. So I hope you have made a note of these formulas. So four formulas we are going to use. Investment is equals to number of shares. This N is number of shares into market value. Profit or income or dividend, this is equals to number of shares into dividend percent into nominal value. Then profit percent is equals to income by investment into 100. Then this last formula, dividend percent into nominal value is equals to return percent into market value. Okay, shall we start with the exercise? Anyone, any doubts with any of the terms used? Okay, let's start then. So let's start exercise 3A. No doubts. Okay, good. So MCQs are there. So calculations I want you people to do along with me. First question, always like I tell, first figure out the given things and what we have to find, right? So what's given to us here, you see the money required to buy. So how to figure it out? So money required to buy 50 rupees 20 shares at 10% premium. See, whenever any number is given to us, you can see here 50 is given to us. So 50, with 50 nothing is there. So that means this is number of shares. So number of shares is given to us as 50. Then with shares, when some cost is given to us, see here it's written as rupees 20 shares. So immediately next to this cost, shares is written. So that means this is the nominal value. This is how you have to understand. So nominal value is given to us as 20 and 10% premium. So premium, I have told you, premium means when the shares are above par. So above par means here market value is greater than nominal value. So premium percentage is given to us. So premium, this is given to us 10%. So this is always 10% of nominal value. So this comes, I hope you have understood. So the cost which is, so number of shares given to us here, nominal value is given to us and premium is given to us. So whenever premium is given to us, what we can do, we can find market value with the help of this premium. So premium I have written as 10% of nominal value. So this we can find. So we know 10% means 10 by 100 of means multiplication. Nominal value is given to us as 20. So we can just solve it. So 10% of 20 is rupees 2. Now MV we can find from here. MV is what? Because we know here MV is greater than nominal value. So this will be nominal value plus this premium cost. Nominal value is 20 and premium cost we found as 2. So market value in this case is 22. So number of shares given to us, nominal value is given to us and MV is also given to us, but MV we found here with the help of premium. So when premium is given to us, we have to add nominal value with this premium cost. So now what we have to find? Money required. The question says money required we have to find. So money required means we have to find here investment. Investment I am writing with capital I. So what is the formula of investment I told you? So what's the formula of investment? So no discussions, please focus on the class. Yes, so investment is equals to number of shares into market value. So number of shares it's given to us as 50 here, 50 into 22. This is equals to, so you can multiply here is 1100 you will get. So option second is the answer. So is it clear? Is it clear? So shall we do next question? Okay. So now next question, let's see what's given to us and what we have to find. So same, all MCQs are like same type of questions. So let's see what's given to us. You people can tell me the given things. You first of all we have to figure out and what we have to find. So what's given to us here? Just comment. So what is given to us in this question? The money required to buy rupees 50, money required to buy 50 rupees 20 shares at rupees 10 discount. N is 20. Again, yes, number of shares is equals to 50 here, not 20. It's 50. Then what else given to us? So as I told you, the cost which is given to us, just the cost which is written just next to shares. So that's nominal value. So nominal value is given to us as rupees 20 and then here discount is given to us. So discount is given to us as rupees 10. Since previous question, premium was given to us. Premium was given to us in percent form. Now here discount is given to us in the form of rupees itself. So when discount is given, so that means this MV is below par. Here nominal value will be greater than market value or market value is less than. So in this case again MV we can find. So MV is equals to what? Here it will be MV minus discount. See, in previous question, premium was given to us. So premium meant it's above par. So we added that premium in nominal value. Here what we will do, we'll subtract the discount from nominal value and we'll find MV here. So this is NV is 20. So 20 minus 10 is equals to rupees 10. So number of shares 50, nominal value 20 and market value is equals to 10. Now what we have to find here? What we have to find? Again you can see money required. Yes. So money required we have to find. So that means again investment we have to find. We have to find investment here. Investments formula we know. This is number of shares into nominal value. Number of shares into market value. Not nominal value. So number of shares is 50. Market value we have found as 10 rupees. So what will be the answer of this question? So what is the answer of this one? So this is 500. Yes. So 500 is the answer option third. Shall we do next question? Yes, so third option. So still we are just using investments formula and again similar type of question. So what's given to us we'll see here. Money required to buy again 50 rupees 20 shares quoted at rupees 22. So quoted at means if you see this word quoted, so that means MV is given to us. Quoted word means market value is given to us. So from words, you just have to see the given things here. So money required to buy 50. So N is again here 50 because when any number is given to us without rupees, so that means it's the number of shares given to us. So N is 50, then rupees 20 shares. So same thing, same question, like similar question, rupees 20. So with rupees 20 shares word is written, so that means this is the nominal value. So NV is given to us as rupees 20, and quoted ad. Quoted ad, I already explained you, this word means MV is given to us. So MV is equals to rupees 22. So again, money required. So money required means we have to find investment here. So investments formula we know, this is number of shares into market value. Number of shares given to us is 50 into MB is 22. So this again will get 1100. Is it clear? Is it clear? NB is 20. Is this question clear or any doubt? No doubts. Okay, let's do next question. 1100 we got as answer. Next, D MCQ. Let's see what's given to us. First option. See, when MCQs you are writing, always write the answer as well as the option. In your exam also you have to write like this. So next. So today responses are very slow. You people are not telling me what's given to us and what we have to find. Yes. Next. Let's see what is given to us. Rupees 200 shares are available at a discount of 20%. So money required to buy 50 shares. So rupees 200 shares are available at a discount of 20%. So when cost is written just next to shares, so that cost we know it's nominal value. When cost is written next to shares, that means nominal value. So nominal value is 200 at a discount. Now discount is given to us in percent form. So discount is equals to 20%. Discount is 20%. So whenever discount or premium is given to us, in first question premium was given to us in percent form, discount or premium. If it is given to us in the form of a percent, always write of NB. Right, so discount here it's given to us 20%. So 20% of NB you have to write and you have to find its value here. Right, so that we will do. Other than that, let's see what's given to us. Rupees 200 shares are available at a discount of 20%. The money required to buy 50 shares. So here number of shares given to us 50, and again the question says money required to buy. So that means we have to find investment. So money required means we have to find investment here. Yes, so let's find first discount, because from discount or premium we can find the value of market value. So discount is 20 by 100 of 200. So this is equals to 40. If the discount is 40, so we can find the value of MB. So that's nominal value minus discount. So nominal value is 200 minus 40. This is equals to 160. Now investments formula we know I is equals to N into MB. So N is given to us as 50. Market value we have found 160. We can just multiply and we'll get the answer as 8,000. So is it clear? So in all the four questions which we have done till now, investment we have to find. So shall we do next question? Okay, let's do next question. Given things we have to figure out and what we have to find here. So 500 rupees 50 shares at par earn a dividend of 1,250 in 1 year. The rate of dividend is so given. Then see with 500 you can see here rupees is not written. So that means this is number of shares. So N is given to us as 500. Then rupees 50 shares. So rupees 50 shares means with shares this cost is written. That means nominal value is given to us as rupees 50. Dividend is given to us. So dividend it's equals to 1,250. And the rate of dividend. See rate means percentage. So rate means percentage. So dividend percent we have to find here. So we have to find here dividend percent. So since I have given you the formula of dividend, I hope you remember. I'll just write here. So dividend, this is equals to, dividend is equals to number of shares into dividend percent into nominal value. This formula I have already given to you. Since dividend is given to us, so whichever thing is given to us, that particular formula only we have to use here. So I'll just use this formula and find the value of D percent. So let's do dividend is 1,250. This is equals to number of shares. Number of shares given to us as 500 into D percent. So D percent we can write as D by 100 and nominal this D is dividend here. Nominal value in this question it's given to us as 50. I have just substituted the given things in the dividends formula. Now let's just simplify this. So these two zeros here we can cancel. Then 1,250 this is equals to 5 into D into 50. Now we'll just shift these to other side. When we are shifting they will get divided. So 5 into 50 is equals to D. This D is here dividend percent, rate of dividend. This D here is rate of dividend or dividend rate I have written here. So we can solve here. So 5 into 25 and 5 into 5. So D value will get equals to 5%. Yes, so fourth option. So anyone, any doubt still here? Anyone, any doubts? Okay, let's do next question now, if no doubts. Yes, 5% is the answer. Let's do next question. A man invested in a company paying 12% dividend. So let's write given thing. So dividend is given to us as 12% in the form of percent it's given to us. That means rate of dividend is given to us. If the percent return on his investment, so return. So that means return percent is given to us as 10%. And then the shares we have to find whether the shares are at par. See, at par means if nominal value is equals to market value. Nominal value is equals to market value. So this is at par. Below par means when nominal value is greater than market value. Above par means when nominal value is less than market value. Or in other ways also you can see market value is greater than nominal value. So we just have to see here which condition is there or cannot be determined. So this type of question, how to do, always remember we can assume NV equals to 100 because we have to find the relation between NV or MV here. Then only we will able to understand whether it is at par, below par or above par. Okay, NV we can assume, nominal value we can assume here, right? So now we have to find the value of MB. Whatever value of MB we will get, accordingly we will choose the option. Now we know one formula which I have told you. At last, we know dividend percent into nominal value. This is equals to return percent into market value. So by using this formula, we can find MV and we can see which is the correct option. So dividend is given to us as 5%. So first I can write as 5 by 100. Nominal value here we have assumed. See this we have assumed. Nominal value is 100. Return is given to us as 10%. So I'm just writing it as 10 by 100. And MV we have to find. So we'll just simplify this. This 10 also I'll shift to this side. Okay, this is dividend is 12%, not 5%. I just wrote it by mistake. 12%. Yes. Yes, it's 12, not 5. So we can just simplify this. So when 10 I'm shifted to this side, it will get multiplied, so that it will become 120. So MB is equals to 120 or rupees 120. So now you people only tell me, MB we got 120. So which option is the correct answer? Which option is correct answer? NB we assumed as 100, NB as we assumed as 100 and MB is 120. So which is the correct answer? So MB is greater than NB here. So that means third option above par is the correct answer. Am I audible? Third above par. Yes, third option. And this question is a board question. It came in last year. It's a board question, and students they were very confused how to do this. So in these type of questions, we can assume nominal value and we can get the relationship between nominal and market value. Let's do next question. MCQs we have finished. Let's start question number 2 of this exercise. Solve questions and start sharing your answers because all the questions now which we are going to do are similar to MCQs. So question number 2 says how much money will be required to buy 400 rupees 12.50 shares at a premium of rupees 1. So same question like first MCQ. So N is given to us as 400 with 400 rupees is not given to us written. So that means it's number of shares. So rupees 12.50 shares, that means nominal value is given to us. Nominal value is rupees 12.50. Premium is given to us here rupees. So if premium is given to us, how to find MV? If premium is given to us, how to find MV here? So that will be nominal value plus premium. If premium is given to us, we can just add this premium in the nominal value and that's equals to market value. So nominal value here it is 12.50 plus premium is rupees 1. So it's given to us in rupees form. So directly we can add. In that question it was given to us in percent form. So percent we convert it to rupees. Now directly we can add here. So this when we add it will become 13.50. So 12.50. If 1 we are adding, so we can just add like this. Right. So investment we have to find how much money will be required. How much money will be required means this is investment. Investment is equals to number of shares into market value. Number of shares here given to us as 400 into MV we have calculated just now 13.50. Yes, multiply this and tell me what will be the answer. This 13.50 you can just remove the decimal here. So this will be 4 into this 1350. Multiply and tell me what answer we'll get. 5400. Is it clear? So 5400 is the answer. So let's go to the next question. So question number 3. Same type of question. Solve it and share your answers. Try to solve it before me. So how much money will be required to buy 250 rupees 15 shares at a discount of rupees 1.50? So given things I am going to write here again. So number of shares is equals to 250. Because with this 250 rupees is not written, so that means you have to understand this is number of shares. Rupees 15 shares. So rupees 15 shares it means this is nominal value. So nominal value is equals to 15 and discount is given to us. Discount. Discount is equals to 1.50. So when discount is given to us, we can find MB. Whether discount or premium is given to us, with the help of these two, we can find market value. So market value is equals to nominal value minus discount. If it is premium, then it's nominal value plus premium. If it is discount, because discount means this is the case of below par, case of below par. That means MB is less than NB here. So NB is 15, 15 minus 1.50. So this is equals to 13.50. 13.50. So we got the value of MB. Let's find the value of investment now. So investment is equals to N into MB. So N is number of shares. Number of shares given to us as 250 into MB. MB is here 13.50. So multiply this and tell me the answer. It's to 13.5. 13.5 is MB here. So what is the value of investment here? Just multiply it and tell me the answer. Tell answer 250 into 13.50. Why multiplications you people are not doing? Do calculations and share your answer. So 250 into 1350 by 100. Three thousand three 3,375. Okay, let's do next question. So till here the questions are very like basic questions. Let's do next question, question number 4. So what's given to us here? Find the annual income. See, annual income, I already told you, income is dividend only. Income is dividend. Income, dividend or return or profit, if you see this word, that means you have to use the formula of dividend. So find the annual income derived from 125. 125 is number of shares given to us here. MB NB is given to us as rupees 120 and dividend percent is given to us. Rate of dividend is given percent. We have to find annual income. What we have to find? We have to find annual income. So annual income basically means we have to find dividend here. So dividends formula I have already told you. So this is direct formula based question. So instead of dividend, I'm just going to write here annual income. So annual income This is equals to number of shares into rate of dividend or dividend percent into nominal value. So number of shares given to us as 125, dividend percent is 5. So we can write it as 5 by 100. Nominal value is given to us as 120. We can just simplify this. So 10 we can cancel, then 5 into 2, 2 into 6 here. So 125 into 6. So this we can multiply. So 750 we will get our answer. So rupees 750. Is it clear? So in this question, number of shares were given to us, nominal value was given, dividend percent was given, and we had to find annual income. So annual income means dividend. So dividends formula, we know it's number of shares into dividend percent into nominal value. So we'll just substitute the given values and find the value of annual income, which is rupees 750. So is it clear? Shall we do next question? Okay, let's do next question. Question number 5. And this will be the last question of today's class. So what's given to us here? A man invests rupees 3072 in a company paying 5% per annum. When its rupees 10 share can be bought for rupees 16, find his annual income and his percentage income on his investment. So man invests. So it's written a man invests. That means investment is given to us. So I is equals to 3072. Company paying. See here it's given as company paying. So that means dividend percent is given to us. This is equals to 5%. Rupees 10 share. Rupees 10 share, that means this is the nominal value, and this share is bought for rupees buying cost. Buying cost is market value. So market value is equals to rupees 16. So these are the given things. We have to find annual income. See, annual income in the previous question itself, I have told you annual income is dividend. So what we have to find here? We have to find dividend. So dividends formula, we know we can use formula and find the value of this one. So first part, we have to find dividend. So this is equals to number of shares into dividend percent into nominal value. Now we don't know here number of shares. So if we don't know number of shares, what we can do here? Number of shares. See, we know the formula of number of shares. The first formula which I gave you here, investment, this is equals to number of shares into market value. Now market value, if I just shift to other side, I'll get investment by market value. This is equals to number of shares. So first formula. Same formula but in a different way we will use here. So number of shares is N is equals to what? Investment by market value. So here if I substitute, see here if I substitute at N's place I we know this is 3072 by MV. MV is given to us as 16. Then dividend percent, dividend is here 5%, so 5 by 100. Then NV is also given to us as 10. So everything I have substituted. Then we can just simplify this. So what we'll get here, I'm just going to do cancellation. So 2 into 1, 5, 3, 6. So this is 1536 by 16. Divide and tell me. We can do again for the cancellation 4 table. We can do 4 into 4, 16. 4 into 3. 4 into 8 and 4. 384. Further, we can do in 4 table. 4 into 1, 4 into 9. 36. So 96 we will get answer. Yes. So answer is 96. So annual income or dividend is equals to 96. So shall we do next second part of this one? This percentage income on this investment. Percentage income we have to find. Is this question clear? Percentage income we have to find. See, whenever percentage income, we will use this formula, the third formula which I have given you. So the formula is dividend percent into nominal value. This is equals to return percent into market value. See, return percent is income only, percentage income. So we can make use of this formula and find the value of percentage income. So dividend percent is given to us in this question. Dividend percent is 5%. So I can write it as 5 by 100. Nominal value is 10. This we have to find. So R by 100 I can write, and MV is given to us 16. So R we can keep on this side, remaining all things we can shift to other side. So 5 by 100 into 10. This 100 if I shift to other side it will be into 100, and 16 if I shift to other side it will be by 16. So this is equals to R. We can just simplify this. So 50 by 16, 50 by 16 if we further simplify on 2's table, if we cancel 25 by 4. So 12 point, how much we'll get here? Divide this and tell me. We'll get 12.25 I think. Just divide and tell me the answer. 3 point or 4 point, not 12 point. 4 point we'll get 25 by 8. Okay, okay. 25 by 8 it is. So 3 point, this is in percent form, not rupees. So this is 3.125. So this is our income percentage or return percent. So I just explain this question once again. So in this question, investment was given to us, dividend percent was given, and nominal value and market value was given to us. So we had to find annual income. So income's formula is N into dividend percent into nominal value. So here first formula we used, N is equals to investment by market value. So N is 3072 divided by 16 into 5 by 100 into nominal value. We just substituted and we got the value of income as 96. Then in second part, we had to find this percentage income. Percentage income is R percent only. So we can use this formula to find the value of R. So is it clear? So we have done MCQs and till question number 5 of exercise 3A. Anyone, any confusion? Who is maths wizard killer? We should focus on leaving the class. So today class strength is quite less. Have you all understood? Okay. See, motivate your classmates to join the class. Strength is very, very less. So tomorrow we will just continue from the sixth question. You can solve it and try to make the class interactive. Today answers were not shared and maximum like I have only done. No confusion. Okay. So good. Okay, then I'll see you tomorrow at same time.